Hello friends, we will discuss about the input-output operations on files. So today we will discuss about the getC and putC functions. Input-output operations on files. Once a file is opened, reading out of or writing to it is accomplished using the standard input-output functions. The putC open and close parenthesis and getC open and close parenthesis function means first we are going to see what is putC and getC functions. The putC is used to display an standard output or write into a file. The syntax for putC function is like this one: putC in open and close parenthesis character ch, we declare character type variable ch, and also file pointer using file asterisk fp. For example, file asterisk fp semicolon character ch semicolon putC in open and close parenthesis ch comma standard input output, and at the end semicolon putC ch comma fp, and at the end again semicolon. So first here we declare the file pointer fp and also declare the character type variable ch. Then putC character type variable ch and comma standard input output. This is the standard output like screen, computer screen, and after that one putC ch fp. If we want to write the character on the standard output on the monitor screen, then we use this statement, and if we need to write in a file, then we have to write the name of the file pointer. Now getC function. The getC is used to read a character from a file. The syntax for getC function is like this one: character getC file asterisk fp, and at the end semicolon. So again getC is used to take the characters from the file, and that's why here we declare the character type operation, and then file and asterisk file point. This is the file pointer declaration. For example, file asterisk fp semicolon character ch, and then we write the ch equal to getC fp, and at the end semicolon. That is, here first we declare the file pointer using this statement file asterisk fp. fp is a file pointer. Then character ch semicolon. This statement declares the character type variable ch, and then ch equal to what character is taken by the getC function from a file pointed by the file pointer fp, that is assigned to the character variable ch. Now let us discuss a program to understand the putC and getC function. This file handling C program illustrates how to read the contents of a file called test.c that contains the data "Hi, how are you?" So a file test.c has the content like hi, how are you? So an example program is like this one. So first statement of this example program includes a standard input output.h header file in our code. Then the first statement of the main function character ch semicolon declares the character type of variable ch, and next statement declares file pointer fp. Then using the if statement fp equal to fopen test.c comma r. A file test.c is open reading mode, and all its information is assigned to the file pointer fp. Then within open and close brace, that is within the body of the if statement, first statement is character ch is equal to get cfp. That is, if file is open, file exists, and if it is open in the reading mode, that is if this condition is true, then get cs take the character from the file pointed by the file pointer fp and assign this to the left side variable ch. Then using the while ch is equal to not end of the file, till this condition is true, that is if read character is not equal to end of the file, then put ch standard out, that is put or taken character from the taken on the output screen, and also ch is equal to get chfp, take the next character using the getC function and assign this value to the ch left side variable ch, and again test the condition. This till this condition is true, each character of the file is taken in, and that is displayed on the output screen. And once condition becomes false, pointer reaches to the end of the file, then control comes out of the while loop, and out of the while loop f close fp semicolon. This statement closes the file pointed by the file pointer fp, and then end of the if statement here and return 0. This is the end of the main function. So when this program is run, we get the output hi, how are you? This is displayed on the output screen. Now let us take another example program. In this, C program to read data from the keyboard to write to a file called input. Again read the same data from the input file and display it on the screen. So an example program may be like this one. So first statement includes the standard input output.h header file in our program. Then first statement of the main function declares character variable c, and next statement file asterisk f1 semicolon declares the file pointer f1. Then printf statement data input colon, it is printed out on the output screen. Then f1 equal to fopen input.c comma w. A file input.c is open in the writing mode, and all its information is assigned to the file pointer f1. Then while c equal to get character not equal to end of the file, get character takes the character from the file and assigned to the left side variable. If this character is not equal to end of the file, then put C. In open and close parenthesis C F1. Then that character taken from the keyboard is written into the file, pointed by the file pointer F1. Once this condition becomes false, that is no data is if end of data corresponding to the end of the file is entered through the keyboard, then condition becomes false and next control comes out of the while loop, and out of the while loop F close F1, file is closed. Then printf statement, data output. This message is printed on the output screen. F1 equal to fopen input dot r. File is again, input file is again opened, and this time it is opened in the reading mode. Then while in open and close parenthesis, again condition C equal to getC F1. This getC function takes the character from the file pointed by the file pointer F1 and assigned to the left side variable C. If this character is not equal to end of the file, then printf %c C. Then this is printed on the output screen. What is the value of C is printed on the output screen. So this continues till all the contents of the open file is read, and once condition becomes false, control comes out of the while loop, and out of the while loop F close F1, open file is closed. And when this program is run, we get the output data input. This is programmed to test the file handling. This data is entered in the file input.c, and when this file is read, we get the same data. This is programmed to test the file handling.